girls, how y'all doing? Hello, hey, what's up, what's good? So, fun fact, I'm home alone. For this entire week, I've been going on the road with Jonathan every day, and don't get me wrong, I love it. I love taking him with me. He's so sexy and so kissable. But the point is, I'm home alone. All the men's is gone except Milo. Milo's still here. But anyway, so I'm using my banister. Y'all saw my review on Sunday, the 15th of April. If not, I'm gonna leave it in the description bar below for y'all. For my brows though, I wanted to do like a full brow routine, and midway editing, I was like, you know what? I'm gonna have to do a voiceover. So I think not, but you know how my voiceovers are since of late. I just like talking to you guys because you can just look and, you know, like follow and whatever. So I want to talk to you about some stuff. Oh, this black eyeliner pencil is from Sasha Cosmetics. The brown eyeliner pencil is before was my Air Main pencil, and Air Main it looks like the same company that makes Anchor and Air Woman, because it's the same consistency. And I'm using my Fenty Beauty Sienna what's it called, concealer. So apparently YouTube now has this thing where if you do not click the notification bell, like, you will not be notified when I do a video, as in I will not come up in your feeds. And you guys know I'm trying to get this channel up. I mean, I just hit 200,000, what was it, last week? You know what, I'm gonna make this video live today on Saturday. Today is what date? Today is the 14th? Yeah, the 14th. So I'm going to make this video live today that I'm doing this voiceover. And I want to personally thank you guys so much for bringing this channel to 200,000 subscribers. I've been doing this for what, like 7 going on 8 years, or probably 10 years or something. Like, I've been on. I've seen channels come and go. I've seen channels stall. I've seen channels grow. I've seen channels develop. And I just want to be a part of that. I mean, Jackie Aina truly inspires me. And I said Jackie Aina because I watch her, and I've been watching her even before. I've been watching her since she was Little Pumpkin Pie 05. And what she's doing right now in the beauty community, especially for women of color, I mean, that shit's big. And I want you to understand this. Oh, that's my Sasha foundation in Perfect Spice, and this is her Second to Skin foundation. So the struggles that you guys face abroad with race, we don't face that out here. Our motto in Jamaica is out of many one people, and we don't face that, you know. And even when you do say racist stuff like red skin girl, a black girl, it's not considered racist. It's just a diss or just the truth. It's not racist at all. So to be honest, most of the stuff that you guys go through over there, I don't encounter it, you know, but I can have compassion for it. Oh, and I will say this, when I do travel, like, I get it. I get it. They look at us me differently. They address me differently. The Uber drivers, yo, like, I understand. BT dubs. For my low light, that's a darker color, I use my Espresso in Fenty Beauty, and now I'm using my settings powder from Sasha Cosmetics, and it's just a white setting powder that I'm using. But yeah, my classes in Tamarack, Florida, guys. I only have 3 seats left. You can register on my website, LyricRochester.com, and you can still get $100 off on my website, LyricRochester.com, when you register. If you're having issues with registering, which I've been hearing people have been having issues, it's so frustrating. Please shoot us a DM on our Instagram page, LyricRochester International. I run that page, so shoot us a DM, and then I'll personally get back to you. So I can send you an invoice via PayPal. Via PayPal, sorry. That's what we have been doing. So for my all over powder, you guys just saw the darkish loose powder from Sasha Cosmetics. That's Perfect Spice as well. And now to set my brows, I'm taking the Buttercup setting powder. Now for my that is a blush, and that blush is actually called Amber Glow. Now, for some reason, my face is darker than my body, and I don't know how I feel about that, because this foundation is now light for me, and it used to fit me. I don't know if it's my new skincare routine, because you guys know I'm using the Banish stuff, and I noticed it in the Banish video when I was editing, not when I was filming. I said it when I was filming, but when I was editing, I was like, no, like, my skin looks hella dark. My face looks darker than my body, and I'm hella concerned. I don't know why this is it, but, you know, whatever. So yeah, 200,000 subscribers. Oh, BT dubs, the black thing I just used, it is the LA Pro Primer in black, and I use it on my lips, I use it as an eyeliner, I use it as an eyeshadow. As you can see, this thing is in my kit. Listen to me, you need this LA Pro Primer in your life. I have the black, the white, and the nude. This is my Sasha Cosmetics pencil, and I'm going to line my lash line. Then I'm going to go in with LA Pro Conceal in nude for my waterline. Then I'm going to go with LA Pro LA Pro Primer, so not concealer, LA Pro Primer in nude. This is what I'm using now, and then I'm going to go back in with the LA Pro Primer in black underneath it to have my eyes look a bit more open. I've always wanted to do a look like this, but I've been very hesitant to. And today I just did it. This look is what I wore on Left Wrong Do Right. I have a vlog about it. That should be coming out, I think, Monday or Thursday of next week. Remember today's the 14th, Monday or Thursday of next week, so you'll see it. I have my full performance in that video as well, and you can see based on the screenshots, based on the thumbnail of the video. Now, having said that, I'm reminding you guys to please subscribe to my vlog channel. My vlog channel is called Lyric Uncut. You guys have been very supportive of me over here. I just pray that you guys will just, you know, like, just follow the trend and subscribe over there. I'm trying to get that channel to 30,000 subscriber by September. I have 26,000 something, so I think I have 3,000 something left to go, and I'm completely grateful. In terms of this channel, my LyricRochester channel, I want to put up a video every Monday and Tuesday, and probably on a Saturday. The thing is, whenever I upload videos on a Friday on here, any of my channels on a Friday, I don't get a lot of views at all. Like, the viewership falls on a Friday. I don't know what y'all do on a Friday, but it's just how social media works. Even on my Instagram, I do not get a lot of engagements on a Friday. So on Fridays is a no-go for me, unless I have something really important to say. I know only the lucky few will probably catch on to it. That being said, thank you so much for those of you who have subscribed. By the way, I just used my Fenty Beauty cinnamon shimmer stick and my Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife, and I'm going with my Trophy Wife again, and I'm putting it right in my happy area. And for my blush, I used my Amber Glow again from Sasha Cosmetics Jamaica. Right, so thank you to those of you who have subscribed. 200,000 subscribers, and from last week till now I gained 200 more. Guys, please continue to subscribe. Please, I beg of you, click the notification bell on both my channels if you want to be notified. I know it seems a little bit daunting. We keep on telling you guys to click, but the truth is, if you do like my content, you have no problems clicking. No, I'm going to be completely honest, I have not clicked the notification bell for all the the YouTubers I watch, you see me? But what I do but what I do is, if I don't see a video, I'm like, crap, where is Jackie's video? And I go and I watch it, and I just watch, and I just get caught up on all her videos. That's how I do it, you know. Yeah, you guys, this is basically the end of the video. I'm just going to wrap my head and then pose real sexy and cute like for you guys. I got this wrap from my mommy. I don't know where she gets it from, but any wrap can do, or turban, or whatever you want to call them. If you want good turbans, you can go on Sweet King Jazzy Baptiste on Instagram. He has some amazing ones as well. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, notification bell, subscribe to this channel, LyricRochester, my vlog channel, Lyric Uncut, my Instagram page, LyricRochester International, for my classes. And yeah, that's basically it for this video. Thank you so much for your support. My 200,000 Michael course giveaway is underway. May I try to get the money, may I try to get the money together, right? Because I don't want to buy no cheap Michael Kors. And anyway, I don't know if I want to get a bag or a watch. So I'm going to make it be optional. So what I'm going to do is buy a Michael Kors gift card, and then only can do whatever I want to do with it. So that's it for this video, and I'll talk to you guys on the next one. Toodles, bye-bye.
I'm ruled for normal, I can never come back. Christians told me go to hell, and I already done that. Social club, misfit gang, I know they love that. And we killing everything, follow the blood tracks. I'm feeling like this movement is unstoppable. Only God is with us, everything else has gotta go. Tomorrow's not promised, I'm just on a roll. And finding a good girl feels impossible.